Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make our backlit earrings. These earrings feature two sizes of glass daggers and can easily be customized to match any outfit. Let's take a look at the products and tools we'll need to make them. For this project, I'm going to be using the 6mm matte metallic silver mini dagger Czech glass beads. I've got a 16mm etched crystal blue rainbow dagger Czech glass beads. I have a pair of 21mm sterling silver French hoop ear wires by TierraCast. I have a pair of the 20mm sterling silver beading hoops with a loop. I've got a pair of 30mm sterling silver beading hoops with a loop, and then I've got two 5mm sterling silver 20.5 gauge open jump rings. For my tools today, I will just need chain nose, round nose pliers, and some wire cutters. You can find links to all these beads and supplies in the description below. So let's get started. Okay, so to begin your project, you're going to want to take one of the 30mm beading hoops. And as you can see on this beading hoop, it already has a loop on one side of it and the other side is just open so that we can slide on our beads. So to begin my earring, I'm going to want to string on one mini dagger and one etched dagger, and I'm going to repeat that pattern until I have 5 etched daggers and 6 of the minis. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a couple piles with my beads here a little closer to where I'm working. And as you can see on these etched daggers, there's one side that's really highly reflective, more so than the other side. So you just kind of want to make sure that you have that etched side in the front, unless you prefer the kind of softer, almost like sea glass look at the back of them. So to begin, you're going to want to pick up your beading hoop. You're going to want to pick up one mini dagger, and you're just going to thread it on to the beading hoop. Then you're going to pick up an etched dagger, and you're going to do the same thing, just thread it on there. Then you're going to pick up another mini, and then you're going to pick up another etched, and you're just going to keep alternating this pattern of mini and etched dagger until you end up with 5 etched daggers and 6 of the mini daggers. Got a couple more to go here. All right, just need one more dagger. All right, so there, you can see there I've got my first part of my bottom of my earring completed here. So now I'm just going to set that aside for right now, and I'm going to put my little bigger daggers there back in a pile. And now I'm going to just make the top part of the earring, which is just 7 of the mini daggers. And those are strung on the 20mm beading hoop. And this beading hoop is exactly the same as a 30mm. It has a loop already on one side, and then one side is open. So you just want to, in the same fashion as you did the other ones, you're just going to want to slide on a mini dagger. But this one's just going to be 7 of the mini daggers and no etched daggers here. And these daggers, even the minis and the etched, they come in so many different colors. Or if you prefer, maybe you don't like the etched, maybe it's a little too different of a look. We have just the traditional, glass daggers that would work just as fine in this design. This is a really easy design that you could customize to kind of fit whatever outfit you would like. So here, let me see. So I have 6. I need one more. All right. So now I've got kind of the bones of my earring done. So now I'm at the point where I want to create a loop on the straight wire part to match the other side. So to do that, I'm going to take a pair of chain nose pliers, and I'm going to grab the wire there. You can see that at the little tip there, and I'm just going to make a 90-degree bend so that I can make, and I'm going to just swing it out like that instead of swinging it back, because we want it to match this one. And so then this way I can make a simple loop. And I'm going to grab just at the tip there, the wire, and I'm just going to roll it back in to create a little simple loop. So see, now I've got a loop on each side. I'm just going to close that loop a little bit more. And then I'm going to take my round nose and I'm just going to bend it just ever so slightly so that it has that same bend that it has over here. Then I'm going to take my chain nose and I'm just going to bend it up a little bit so that it matches the other side. And give it a little bit more of a bend there. All right. So I've got one side done. So now I'm just going to do the same thing for the other earring. So the other part of it is I'm just going to grab my chain nose. I'm going to bend the wire out at a 90-degree bend. Then I'm going to take my round nose and I'm going to just roll it back in. Grabbing at the tip, and you're going to just roll it in to make a simple loop. I'll just turn it a little bit more here. There we go. All right. The same thing, I'm just going to take my round nose and I'm going to bend it there, and then I'm going to bend it up so that it kind of matches the other side here. And these earrings, the beading wire is pretty flexible, so you might just need to kind of like massage everything to get it into place here so that it sits really nice when you start to put your earring together. So I just want to make sure that I've got the same angle there. All right, so looks like they're both ready. This one's pretty ready too. So now I'm going to take one jump ring and I'm going to grab my chain nose pliers and I'm going to go ahead and open the jump ring. Moving one side towards me and one side away from me. So the way you construct these is, now that you've got all your loops, you're going to take your jump ring and you're going to slide it through the first loop on the smaller beading hoop, and then you're going to go through the second loop of that same beading hoop. Then you're going to take the 30mm beading hoop and you're going to string it on the jump ring. So this is how I like to do it, is I put on the little one, I put them both on there, I put on one side of the 30, and then I grab my other chain nose, grab that side, and then I turn, and then I can put the other side on here. And then grab your other side with the chain nose and then bring your jump ring together to close it. All right. Whoops, got to turn it around there. And there you have the backlit earrings. So now it's ready to just put on the ear wire. So to do that, you're going to just want to take your chain nose pliers, just like you open a jump ring. You're going to move the loop to one side. You're going to slide on the jump ring from your constructed earring there, and then you're just going to close it the same as you would a jump ring, just sliding it back together. And there, you have these really cute little earrings that are kind of fun, great for summer. Make those little guys flip down there, and are easily customized to kind of really any color palette you would like. You can find all the products and tools for this inspiration design at fusionbeads.com.